to some processes we use at Deep Thought. And as I said, the intention of this workshop is that you could try this with your child, at home. Now, I'd like to just spend 2 minutes in explaining why this matters, because for me, I think that is more important than what I have to say. So, we've been doing inter-school competitions for the last 10 years. And we were saying that, quizzes are outdated. We need competitions which assess kids' thinking, because after artificial intelligence age, knowledge is no longer going to be relevant and so on. We were telling this in schools since 2014, and schools were like, wait, what is artificial intelligence and so on. But today we see that, right? I mean, in the tech era, it's no longer about knowledge, but it's about thought process. So while we were working with different children, we were able to work with some children who were like amazing. I mean, they were able to, one set of kids, they discovered Darwin's theory of evolution ka central idea on stage all on their own in just 20 minutes, just by being questioned. They were questioned and they came up with ideas on their own. And there were competitions where kids were discussing technology strategy. In one competition, kids combined blockchain and Internet of Things to come up with an idea of a bottle, whose mouth will automatically get adjusted based on the mouth of the person who's drinking the water. And they spoke of how they'll use data science to sort of build libraries of past data and use that to change the bottle and so on. Kids came up with these wonderful ideas. So then when I reflect and when I question myself, what is common to all these kids who think so well, I found one pattern. The pattern which I found was not school, not whether they're coming from a town or a city, not exposure, but the pattern was parenting. And there again, my pattern was not education profile of the parents. I've seen some kids are like super curious, super creative. The father is not properly educated, runs a small rice mill in a town. Or there are also people with PhDs whose kids are like doing really well. So the pattern was not the parents' education background. Pattern was not parents' economic profile, but the pattern was parenting. And when I said parenting, what was the pattern I found? The pattern I found was all these kids had parents who were willing to listen to the child and who were having a lot of conversations with the child. Conversations which were respecting the opinion of the child and questioning the child, probing the child, through which the child had the space to form an own opinion, build on that opinion, and thus construct knowledge. So, which is when we decided that it becomes, when we as a company want to work on thought leadership, we saw that we don't want to engage with all parents. We want to engage with these kind of parents who are nice. It's fun to work with these kind of parents who are spending a lot of time with children, who are trying to grow with children. So that is why we said, okay, if there are parents who want to spend time with children and work with children, can we share some of our pedagogies with parents? So the parents can work with children 5 minutes every day. For a small activity, 5 minutes every day. So the purpose of this workshop is to introduce you to some of our techniques so that you can try it with your child. I mean, look, any education company, what would it do? It would say, no, you send your child to us, you pay the fees, we will take care. What are we saying? We are saying, no, we are not needed. We will give you our techniques. You try it at home. You need not send your child to us. I hope you get the agenda of today's session. It is not to, it is as simple as this. There are 2 or 3 simple techniques which we sort of use. And there's a theoretical basis for all those techniques. We would share that and we'd be happy to, take all questions which you might have. And then at any point while trying this with your child, if you have some challenges, we are happy to help you there as well. We have WhatsApp groups called Visionary Parent Forum, where we have parents there